In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a colorful text effect in Canva. This is a simple but really eye-catching trick you can use for social media posts, thumbnails, presentations, or any design where you want your text to really stand out. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva project as we go. First, make sure you already have a design open in Canva. This could be anything: an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, or even a simple blank document. Once your design is open, look for the text you want to edit on your canvas. If you haven't added any text yet, that's okay. Just go to the sidebar on the left, click on the text option, and add a heading, subheading, or body text. Type in the words you want to style, and then click once on that text box to select it. With the text box selected, you'll see a toolbar appear above your design. This is where you can adjust your font, size, alignment, and more. What we're interested in is the text color option. Look for the little color tile or the word text color on that top toolbar. When you hover over it, it should mention color or text color. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click, a color panel will open. Here, you'll see your document colors, default colors, and maybe some recently used colors. This is where you start creating your colorful text effect. You can choose a single bright color to instantly make your text pop, or you can experiment with different shades to match your brand or background. If you already have a specific color in mind, you can use the color picker or type in a hex code to get an exact match. To take the colorful effect further, try changing the color of different words or even individual letters. Just highlight part of the text, then click the text color option again and pick a new color. Repeating this for each word or letter can create a fun, rainbow-like effect that's perfect for playful or bold designs. When you're happy with how your text looks, click anywhere outside the text box to see the final result in context with the rest of your design. That's all there is to it. Click on your text, open the text color tool above, and customize your colors until you get the